Hey guys, Alyssa here again. Welcome back to my channel. Well, it's time for wash day again, and as you can tell, my hair is super dry. It's like ridiculous. But if you guys aren't following me already, make sure you guys are subscribed and also turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I post. But let's go ahead and get into this wash day. So this is basically considered day 6 of an old wash and go. I usually don't try to go past that because my hair gets very dry. So again, I'm going to use the leave-in as a pre-poo. Then today I'm going to use the Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore shampoo. Since I do have a little bit of product buildup, I need to get something a little bit more cleansing. And for the conditioner, the old trusty coconut and hibiscus curl and shine conditioner. So of course, since my hair is super dry and super hard to even touch, it's just I need this as a pre-poo this time. So of course I'm gonna go in all over, rake it through and finger detangle, and then of course let it sit in for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse. So of course, for reference, this side is already pre-pooed and then this side is still dry. So you can see the difference clearly. So now that it's all rinsed out, time for my Jamaican black castor oil. I've used this before and I've always loved it. It's super cleansing. It doesn't make your hair feel stripped or dry or brittle. It basically strips product but still moisturizes your hair at the same time, which is crazy, but it works so well for me. It also has a great suds to it, just to make it seem like you are cleaning your hair. Sometimes having suds is pleasing to me to look at. So now that I rinsed that out, my hair is now nice and clean, squeaky clean, but not too squeaky clean. And now I'm going to go in with the Curl and Shine conditioner. And by the way, all these products smell amazing. It's like walking around smelling like a tropical paradise. Who doesn't want to walk around smelling like a tropical paradise? If you don't, that's something, I don't know. Come talk to me about that. So now that I've put the conditioner on both sides, I'm going to let this sit for 3 minutes and then I'm going to rinse. Now my hair is feeling nice and refreshed for this new week and I love it. I'm so grateful to use these products and I can't wait to use more. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give a big thumbs up and also subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And also follow me on my Instagram, naturalhair18. But hope to see you guys next time. Bye.